Alright folks, we got some body armor. Well, hang on. Alright, we got some body armor down there. We're about 25 yards out. It says it's a level 3 rated, 357 4 mag, whatnot like that. I've seen in some of the reviews and comments on it that they've hit it with 7.62 and other calibers and it stopped it. So, we're just gonna see. We're gonna hit it with the 44 mag, but through a rifle. And if it stops that, we're gonna hit it with the 7.62. That's what we got going on. And let's just see what we can get. I'm gonna find out where this is hitting first. Whee! Here we go, 44 mag. We're up against body armor. Well, okay. We're gonna see if we got penetration. I had a jug back there, but it might have been enough force to squish the jug. So let's go take a look. Okay, folks, here we go. Technically, didn't have a complete penetration, but we definitely, that's not gonna do you well. We got right there. We got going in. That's 44 mag, about 25 yards through a rifle. Granted, through a handgun, yeah, it'll probably stop it. That's the punch that it did right there. Yeah, well, I don't even know if it's worth wasting a bullet to try up at the top because everything is foobarred. So yeah, people said that thing would stop a 7.62 round. At what range? 1,000 yards? I mean, that's 44 mag. That's probably, at best, I'm trying to remember what the feet per second on this was about. I know it wasn't over 1,800 feet per second. It's a big, fat, slow flying bullet. As you see, we didn't. I'm going to take this back and we're going to look at it. We are not going to continue on with this test. So if you're buying these and you're thinking it's good enough for a rifle round, do not. All right, folks, here we go. We have MagTech 44 mag body armor. I guess this is coming at 25 yards through a rifle. So yeah, the bullet's gonna have a little bit more kick than your normal handgun. This is supposed to have been rated for 375, I believe 44 Magnum. Rated for that. I've seen in the comments that where people took a 7.62 round right here, took this and dumped it into that and it stopped it. I'm not sure what distance they were shooting it at, how far away. They did not say in the comment section, but this was at 25 yards, a 240 grain bullet. And we hit, because I was expecting, I was going to take, a couple more shots with this, the 7.62. If it stopped that, then the 223 on top of it. But that is what we got. Now, technically, it did stop the bullet. It did stop the bullet there, but that is enough. This is the water jug that was behind it. That's the hole to get a better look. That punched into that water jug. So basically, if you got hit in the chest with that, somebody got a little lever gun or something and they pop you in the chest at 25 yards, even if you're wearing this, that's supposedly rated for the 44 mag. Well, through a handgun, different story. I know, blah 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 blah. And yeah, you might not break skin, but I guarantee you that's going to crush everything in your chest, and it's going to put you into cardiac arrest, without a doubt. Now, I'm curious. I mean, that is, yeah, it sucked everything. That is crazy. I think this was 37 layers. There's a bullet. Look at that. Is that so warm? I thought that was warm. I was like, what the hell? That, look at that. That totally flipped it inside out. Completely. If I remember right, these are doing, but yeah, we flipped inside out. 44 Magnum. Let's see what we got going on. Over an inch. Over an inch. 240 grain. 230. We lost nothing. It all stayed together. That is amazing. So that punched in right there. That is nuts. Absolutely nuts. And that's supposed to be, I believe, like level 3 rating, which again is for handguns. But there were in the comments of that were stating, it stopped at 7.62 and blah blah blah. So I don't shit. I don't see that happening with it stopping a 7.62 round. Just don't see it. So there you go. Yeah, that's kind of, you want to see what it looks like when it's wee. But there you are. Body armor. If you're getting it and you see in the comments, oh, it'll stop a rifle round, don't trust it. Okay? Just plain and simple. Don't trust it.